Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to Homemade Period. On today's episode, I am going to continue talking to you guys about a wonderful recipe for a mango salsa that was inspired by a very dear friend of mine who was vegan actually. And one day I made this wonderful homemade salsa from my home country, and it was so hot. They were really sweating, so they asked, why not one day try and have one without the hot sauce? So here we are, ladies and gentlemen. This is a mango salsa with orange tomatoes, red tomatoes, wonderfully diced mango. We also have cucumbers, red onions to be specific, and also finely diced garlic, and we will add cilantro as the final product. But then at the end of everything, once we've chopped them up, mixed them up in a wonderful bowl, we are going to add a little bit of olive oil. That is just to bring a wonderful texture mixture together to complement that whole beautiful medley of wonderful colors and health. You know, you eat this salsa, you feel your tummy dancing. What do you call this? I don't know. Maybe ballet? Zumba? You tell me, try it in the comments below. Eat it. Tell me how your body wants to dance. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share. We are here at Homemade Period, where we share beautiful cooking with love, with care, and we always choose happiness. Thank you so much, everybody, and enjoy the rest of the recipe as we go through this wonderful, healthy, and beautiful looking salsa.